wicked, I'm lawless, I'm itching. You don't want no smoke, you jowsing, he flowed you.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? So today has been literally one of those days. I'm not sure if you guys ever get burnt out. I'm experiencing some crazy burnout. For you that don't know me, I go by the name of Millie X. I have been a filmmaker, video marketer for over, I want to say 20 years now. Right now has just been a little crazy lately. I don't know what's going on in the water. I don't know what's going on in the atmosphere, but it's just been a little cuckoo. And I've always told myself like I would start vlogging, really kind of like sharing my story and kind of like documenting my entire process, because who knows, you know, this could probably help somebody else or someone else that's coming up in the industry. And yeah, man, so I want to invite you guys on my journey to become monetized. That is definitely one of my main goals, is to become monetized on YouTube and start to more so get into creating my own content. So it's been a challenge for me, I'm not even gonna lie. It's been a challenge for me to get super laser focused on creating more YouTube content. So here we go. It's time to get serious on this YouTube, man. See, I've been going through. Look.
Why would you put me on there like that? That's foul.
Babe.
What?
You don't like other people don't be in their PJs.
Okay.
Babe.
You want me to turn around?
What you talking about? It's on me now. Would you? Oh no. I'm not putting that out. I'm not gonna show y'all my old lady like that. She look crazy right now.
What?
You do look crazy right now. You look like you're ready to go to bed.
You're mean.
I'm not. That's mean. For what would be mean if I was actually to put you on camera? That would be mean. We just moved in the house just a year ago, and we are still getting stuff done around the house. I put these up. These lights. I put these lights up, and then I also put the other light up over there as well. Yeah, she helped, y'all. We are still decorating the house, man. We're still getting this house together. I think we're gonna be in this house until we actually get our house built or just buy our next house. So we're gonna be here for a little minute. So we're gonna take y'all on the journey too, man, because I like to decorate. Wifey likes to decorate too. And hopefully y'all can kind of give us some opinions too on what y'all think the house should look like. I low-key wanna watch a movie. Oh my gosh. And I'm putting that in here too, y'all. Y'all gonna hear how rude and nasty she is.
I got a fart.
Fendi, you ready to go out tonight, baby? You ready to go? You ready to go out? You ready to go out? Y'all see her?
That's mine.
You ready to go? Come on. Let's go, baby. Yeah, we're gonna take her out so she can use the bathroom. And it's already 11. Y'all, right now I'm in my gear closet. So it's a bunch of like just gear in this closet. It's a lot in here. I have to put a light on the camera, because without a light on the camera, you guys won't be able to see nothing. She loves these night walks, to be honest with you. It's so hot here in Vegas. During the daytime, it literally just drains her. Like when we go out on these walks in the daytime, normally like when I'm done, like shooting or I come back home to the office, she be ready to go out. But then the moment she hits the outdoors, she is like, what in the bejesus? So sometimes the best time to take your dog out, especially Frenchies, because Frenchies actually breathe like, I was told that they breathe half a breath of what we breathe. So if you can imagine like breathing half of the breath that you breathe on an everyday basis, that's kind of how it feels to be a Frenchie. So you kind of like can take half a breath and it's like, yeah, that would suck. So sometimes it's definitely best to take her out at nighttime, because she doesn't have to endure all of that, like that heat. Y'all know I rock with aperture heavy, man. So I'm about to put on the aperture light onto the camera. If I ever need a on-camera light, I highly recommend aperture. Alrighty, let's take her on a walk, man, because she is like ready to go. Fendi, wait. She's like, she's very, like, she's super trained, like very trained. Like she's walking right beside me right now, and so she just got to use the bathroom really bad. I'm about to take her butt out. Look at her. She can't wait to get to this park, y'all. Man, it actually feels good out here right now. Like it's normally, I'm trying to tell y'all, it is super hot in Vegas. Like, come on, Finny, she always does this. She literally pees in the exact same spot in my neighbor's house. My neighbor's a firefighter, and she always goes right in front of the actual, like, the bush. It's so weird. There she go, taking off. It's normally super hot out here in Vegas. Like really, really hot. I actually never planned on this to be a permanent stay. I'm originally from Greensboro, North Carolina. All my family is there. Like literally all my family is there. I have one brother here in Las Vegas that I moved out about maybe 10 years ago. I've been living out here about 15 years myself. I never actually intended on this being an actual permanent spot, but the money's good here. Like the money's good here. As you guys know, Las Vegas has like one of the biggest tourist attractions in the world. So we get a lot of traffic here for sure, which can definitely be great and beneficial to your business, you know? But as far as like raising a family here, I wouldn't. Like, and my kids, like I have my kids out here. Actually, both my sons live in North Carolina. My daughter, she lives in Virginia. But I would never raise my kids out here, especially a girl. Like, heck no, dude. Out here in Vegas it's not for the weak. It's great for business, but as far as like family goes, now don't get me wrong, like you got a lot of people that's born and raised in Vegas and somehow they make it happen, but just coming from North Carolina, you know, you miss like the unity and like certain things that the South brings, you know what I'm saying? And unity and culture is one of those things that I be missing all the time. Oh, there she go. There she go. Can y'all see her? Fendi, you use the bathroom, girl? You used it? Did you use it? I don't want to step in your dang on poop, girl. I gotta clean it up. You still not done? She's still not done. What is she doing? Come on, girl. She is like enjoying this fresh air. In a minute though, the sprinkler's about to come on and we both gonna get wet. And I'm not trying to get wet. You ready, girl? Yeah, I think she's ready. All right, y'all, but this is gonna be my final for the night. I'm about to go inside, get her cleaned up, clean up her mess that she just made out here. And I'm gonna get some sleep after I hit this nice shower and get ready for tomorrow, man. Y'all stay tuned. Let's get it, man. I appreciate y'all. And I will see y'all tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Later.
Been on time. Know I keep the peace, it get violent. You know I keep a bad one beside me. On that red rum. I'm in red for it. I'm in red for it. Been on time. Know I keep the peace, it get violent. Know I keep a bad one beside me. I'm on red rum. I'm in red for it. I'm in red for it. I'm on my solo shit, I'm working, keep my head down. Now I ain't worried about no hoe, let's keep them shells going. And I got motion, it ain't no stopping, so I've been ready for it. She got them heels high, and the bottoms got the red tone. Told her to an ocean, got her out of body singing in a whale song. I'm on my chill shit, finna build shit, but I'm vibing. I peep game, but I'm quiet. I'm a real nigga, I'm solid.
Yo, what's going on, y'all? So we are finally up. I was able to knock out a little bit of business this morning and finish up a few little projects really quick before I actually get my day started. Today, man, it's going to be a busy one. I'm going to actually bring you guys with me. Right now, I am about to go ahead and get dressed, get ready for my first client. We have to film some social media content as well as shoot another day for this commercial ad. And after that, I will be hopping on the road, headed to LA to go ahead and shoot a music video project for my guy TKO Capone. It's just a turnaround today. I'm not going to be staying out in LA, even though I wish I could stay out in LA because I haven't seen my boy Daniel in a minute. He actually lives in LA and he has helped me on so many projects. That's like my guy. I'm probably going to hit him up to let him know that I'm in town, you know what I'm saying, for the day. And then yeah, man, so today's gonna be a busy one, man. Not too crazy. It's just really gonna be a lot going on because we gotta travel from Vegas to LA. It's gonna be a time crunch, you know what I mean? So your boy definitely probably gonna be rushing, trying to get to LA in like 3 hours, you know what I'm saying, so I can get to this project on time because you can't be late. And yeah, man, but it's gonna be fun today, man. It's definitely gonna be some fun, some adventure. And right now I am looking to make sure I have everything that I'm going to need for today's productions. And yeah, so we actually rented out this private jet location in LA that seems to be pretty popular. And yeah, man, I'm looking forward to this today. Let me hurry my butt up, get ready, and I'll see y'all in a bit, man. Gotta have these, man. Hitting the road to LA. I told you I was an Aperture fan, man. I love Aperture. Always do, right? Bring me a laptop is a must. Okay, y'all. I am ready to go. Ready to hit this road. Let me make sure I have the shoes I want to wear. Yeah, low key. I'll just wear those again. But yeah, man, about to hit this road, y'all. About to hit this road. I know I have some lotion somewhere. I can't forget the hats. Gotta get the hats, man. But yeah, man, so we're about to knock out IMR. We're about to hit this road real quick. I'll see y'all in a bit, man.
About a million, I keep it a trend, resilient, they energy off. My image is God reaching deep in the pot, I got features of people like lost. Yeah, RIP on me, TT. The melanin on me, my cheekbone is native, the soil is my where I walk. Some beavers on me, my nigga, go figure my enemy, make enemy scoff. Admit it, your energy off. My frequency killing you soft.
Alrighty, guys, so that wraps up the commercial for the grocery part. Off to the next spot. I was gonna talk to y'all a little bit, but we gotta stay on schedule.
Crashes in car. Now I got a crib down the street. Young niggas made it so far. I never lose what I'm on. For now I'm cool being me. But I need you to match what I'm on. How you wanna play games when I won? I play with cash for the fun. Women looking at me, she think I'm leading her on. I'm doing me for me, hun. I never needed no one. I never bleed around sharks. They saying you are what you eat, but she wanted me to be lunch. God body from the turf, my hair in the breeze. The Farrakhan, keep the peace, I look out for me.
About what they say, I can't hear them from the clouds. I don't talk too much, but the diamonds talking loud. And I'm turning heads, got these bitches going out. About what they say, what they say, what they say.
Yeah, but that was fire though. Okay. That was fire. And then try to really keep your words on sync.
Diamond so vibe, always down to slide. I've been real from the jump start, it's just part of my design. I've been self-made, you know the bills paid, I feel the spark to self-prescribe. You want a real one, well I'm the real thing, I run a rampant through a mind. Yeah, I never lose what I'm on. I'm always cool being me, they never match what I'm on. I play with cash for the fun. God body from the turf, my hair in the breeze. From Farrakhan, keep the peace, I look out for me.